Today we are going to be looking at a database called the Anthropological Index Online, or as I will be referring to it as the AIO. The AIO is the Anthropological Index to current periodicals held in the Anthropology Library at the Center for Anthropology of the British Museum. Its holdings include 4,000 periodical titles in all branches of anthropology from publishers around the world. Over 780 journals published in over 40 languages are indexed. The AIO is unique from other databases that focus on anthropology in so much as it isn't just for the mainstream material. It gives researchers access to literature published by other researchers outside the academic metropolis. So if you were looking for literature on a specific place or ethnic group, then the AIO would be valuable. As you can see on the left side of the page, there is an option for a quick search and a full search. Let's begin with the quick search. What I have found and what I'd like to show you is that this means of search is far less sophisticated than its counterpart. Let's look at the search by year feature. There is an option for decades only. So I'm going to do a search on Bosnia. Let's do the quick search here, and you'll see that I got 11 results, and here you will be able to see these results. Now I'd like to show you a full search. The first thing you will see is that obviously it is more sophisticated. There are more search options. For starters, you can dictate the specific years that you would like to search rather than simply searching by decade. So for this search, I will use the years 2010 through 2011 rather than simply the 2010s. This presents sort of a unique problem because there's only 2 years in the 2010s, 2010 and 2011. So there isn't an option to search just for the year 2011 is the problem. But a good feature about it, so you're going to get the same results, but a good feature is you can search the last 5 years if you wanted to search that specifically. And as I've done that here, you see I've received 84 results. Now I want to show you that these are the results, and you'll find that there's no hyperlinks, and you won't find any abstracts with this information. So let's just compare this for a moment with EBSCO. Here I'm entering in the same result I found, which is generating social capital for bridging ethnic divisions in the Balkans. And immediately here it comes up. I can click right on it, and immediately you'll find much more information than the bare bones structure of AIO, where you'll see here subject terms, geographic terms. You'll find the abstract, and there's a link to the title, obviously because UNCG owns it. Here I'm looking at the actual article. And if we look back at AIO for a moment, you'll see that this was all the information that I pulled off of that search. This is all that I can do. I'm going to go back for a moment and show you some more of the features. Because of the narrower focus of this particular database, there's some real challenges here. If I want to look for something specifically in English, what you'll find is I'm going to use a broad scope of years here just to show you. There's no results found. No results are found. So we'll go back, and again, because this is geared for finding things in Eastern Europe and developing parts of the world, I'm going to look specific to continents and location, geographical areas. And even by doing this, and I'm going to focus my subject area on the sciences. Here I'm doing a search. I'm going to go ahead and actually use all of the years, or the last 2 decades, sorry. I'm going to find no results. So this time I'm going to remove the language limit, still finding nothing. I'm going to remove some more features here. And there, I found some results. So what you're going to find is these results as well, essentially all of them are in foreign languages. Most of them are Russian. And that's the sort of information that you're going to find with this particular database. Okay, I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this demonstration. To sum up, the AIO is a valuable database if you are searching for the journals of Eastern Europe rather than the mainstream journals of the West, such as the Applied Anthropologist or the American Journal of Physical Anthropology. The AIO is very much a niche database. That specialty lies beyond the main Western journals and is also very useful if you want to pursue scholarship in the developing world. I would not recommend to anyone outside of the most dedicated users that are pursuing the knowledge of those fields. Thank you.